Well, with me right now is a returning guest you know very well, Dr. Tren. We know him as Iggy around here, and of course he has a wonderful Tongue Out organization that he helps direct. And today you brought along one of your youth ambassadors. I'd like to welcome Melissa Patello. Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
It's wonderful to have you here. Before I get to you, if people have not heard about Tongue Out before, give us a brief overview of what it's about.
Sure. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and our mission really is to go to those areas and look for folks that are the most vulnerable in society. And typically these are folks who are orphans,
Yes.
folks who are blind, folks who are lepers, or even folks in our own community, seniors who may have Alzheimer's. And our mission is to go and let them know that God loves them. And we do it in different ways. We do it through medical care.
Right.
We do it through eye surgeries and so food distributions and things of that sort. And the community here partners with us.
Yeah, they do, very much
with that.
so.
So it's pretty awesome.
So Alyssa, tell me about yourself. How did you get involved?
So I actually did gymnastics with Iggy's daughter a long time ago, and so I kind of got involved through that. I just really wanted to help people. I always had an interest in traveling and helping people, so I kind of just was like, oh, I should put these two together and get involved.
Yeah, and it's a wonderful organization, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, have you been with him on one of the trips yet?
Yes, I have. So I've been to Haiti, Peru,
Wow.
yeah, and Israel.
Wow, so you've done quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I know, we've talked about the places you've gone before, and, one of the things that's you have told us, and the other ambassador you had on, is getting to know these people in different areas, and particularly certain areas you go to where, yes, it's impoverished, but it's quite beautiful as well.
Absolutely.
And coming up, you're going to be going to Vietnam. We have some photos here of one of the trips.
Yes.
And
There's
yep, there you are.
There's Alyssa in Haiti
Yes.
recently, and that picture next to there is a doll that comes from this community here.
Yes, it does.
It's a comfort doll that the Laguna Woods and Kiwanis Club community make homemade for us to bring. And these dolls, I have a whole bag of them going to Vietnam next week.
And you give these out to everyone, and it's just a way to show a little love and support, and
yes,
and they can do what they want. Yeah, there's no adornment on the doll. Of course, this one has a little hat, which normally I don't see.
Yeah.
Is that something a little different?
Yeah. The community is upgrading
Upgrading
the dolls. They got hats now and things of that sort. Very cool. And so they don't have faces for a reason. We take them to the orphanages in Vietnam, in Haiti, in Peru. And so we spend time with the kids, and we spend time with the kids by having them draw their faces on them with the dolls.
Yeah, and I think that's great. So tell me about some of the stuff that you've done, Alyssa, when you're on these trips. You're helping out, give out the dolls, and I know with Dr. Tren, you bring also some medical people with you.
Definitely.
Do you help out with that? Or do you
Yes.
assist? And
Yeah, so Dr. Tren has actually taught me how to take vital signs and all that kind of stuff.
Wow.
So we do that. We visit the orphans and the orphanages. And we've done, in Peru, we did wheelchair distribution, which was really cool. We got to go over and just present those to those who needed them.
Yeah.
And then we did some food distribution in the Middle East, in Palestine, West Bank. And we just got to go and present that as well, which was really amazing.
And I'm sure it just changes your life doing this, right?
It really does.
Yeah, and changes theirs even more.
So worth it.
Tell me about this photo here, because I saw this. Dr. Tren sends us ahead of time. Now, were these people that all had needed some kind of eye surgery, or?
Yes, we do this every time we go to Vietnam. We look for 100 blind patients who cannot afford their surgeries. So our partners in Vietnam will go out to the farmlands, to the rural areas where there are blind folks from cataracts.
Okay.
And because Vietnam doesn't have Medicare like we do here, that type of insurance, you either have cash or you go blind.
Okay.
And so a lot of blind folks from cataracts, which is easily correctable, as you know. And so we fund their surgeries. We would just receive donations here from the U.S.
Okay. So you don't bring eye surgeons with you?
We have eye surgeons.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
We have eye surgeons. They are from Vietnam. They're local.
Okay.
They partner with us. So we transport these patients to the hospital. Sometimes it's a 6-7 hour drive for them.
Yeah.
So we have a bus that picks them up from where they live.
Wow.
Drive them from midnight all the way throughout the night. They arrive at 7 in the morning to the hospital. And then we show up that day when the surgery occurs. And so for $38, we can give sight to a blind person.
Wow.
$38.
$38?
Yes, in Vietnam it's $38. And so,
Wow.
so we try to raise enough funds every trip for about 100 eyes.
Yeah.
And they get to see again.
Yeah.
And
that's amazing.
And yeah, it's amazing. It's the best $38 I've ever invested in.
Yeah.
To allow.
That's incredible that it costs only $38, and it's also incredible that they can't afford that.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's
I
right.
mean, that's, you go out to a fast food place for a family of 4, you're going to spend $40, $50 nowadays.
Easily.
Yeah.
Easily. And so in next week when we're in Vietnam, we'll be doing the same. I'll send you pictures.
So Alyssa, you've been on these trips before. Are you still in school?
Yes.
Like during, I mean, obviously not right now, but what school do you go to? And
I go to Huntington Beach High School.
Okay.
I'm going to be a senior this coming year.
so when you go to, I guess when Peru was a few months ago, you just take off of school for a week or so?
We usually have the longer trips during the summer, and those are
Okay.
the ones that I go on. And then there's Haiti, and that's only 4 days. So it's
Okay.
just a little
So that's not a
weekend. So
big
it's a
deal.
couple days off of school.
But obviously it's something, if you have to take, the education you're getting going to these places, I don't want to say far exceeds your schooling because that's important, but it gives you a well-rounded worldly view of things. So
Absolutely,
it certainly contributes to that as well. Okay, you're going to be a senior, did you say?
Yes.
And what do you have plans after that? Doing some of this, have you decided when it comes to college or what you want to do? Have you kind of made those decisions yet?
Yes, I'm actually looking into majoring in international relations, maybe sustainability, development, that type of stuff, to kind of work through the government to help improve conditions for people in other countries.
Wow. See?
Yeah.
See what you do, how you influence?
I don't know, but my toenail color is different
Your
now.
all right. Whenever Iggy's on, we look at toenails. Let's see. Yours are, you're not even painted, so this guy.
Yeah, this one's now, I think this is orange. And the last time it was bright pink.
Yes.
Was it? And they're different, they're different because when we go to these orphanages, they get to paint my nails.
Yes.
The kids get to paint my nails, so next week it'll be a different color.
Okay. All right.
So anyway.
That's it. No, he always does this. And, I always comment, this could be winter and cold outside, and you don't usually wear socks, do you?
I don't even know where my shoes are.
You never know where your shoes
I
are.
don't
No. There you go. Hey, I want to thank you both for coming on. And when are you going to Vietnam?
Next week.
Next week. All right. So have a wonderful trip. You're helping people. You want to have fun there as well. And you're going to come back from there just meeting all kinds of great people and really helping folks out. So nice meeting you. Thank you very much. Iggy, as always, you take care. He wants me to paint my toenails. I know he does.
I'll get them.
I don't know. One of these days. All right, we'll be back in just a moment.